what is an expository essay? An expository essay is a genre or essay that requires the students to investigate an idea or to evaluate evidence, expand on the idea, and sell for an agreement concerning that idea. So, expository essay is a clear and concise manner ni siya nga essay. Need ni siya o kanang investigation and evaluation. So, kung magamag ani nga essay is importante nga during magamag ani essay, kanang importante siya nga mag-investigate kanaan usa ka gama ani na essay. So, expository essay have the structures. So, first structure is a clear, concise, and defined thesis statement that occurs in a first paragraph of the essay. So, this structure is essential that this thesis statement can be appropriately narrowed to follow the guidelines set forth in the assignment. So, ano na structure is importante nga ma-follow nimo ang mga guidelines kung magama ka og essay. It is important to be quiet, difficult, composed, and effective or persuasive essay. Clear and logical transitions between the introduction, body, and conclusion. So transitions are the mortar that holds the foundation of the essay together. Without logical progressions of thought, the reader is unable to follow the essay's argument and the structure will collapse. So, ano diri is, kung mag-create ka expository essay, it is important na clear and concise ang imong gigama nga essay. Next is body paragraph that includes evidential support. So, each paragraph should be limited to the exposition of the general idea. This will allow for clarity and direction throughout the essay. What is more is, it is such as conciseness, praise, and ease and readability for one's guidance. It is also important to note that each paragraph in the body of the essay must have logical connection to the thesis statement in the opening paragraph. So, ano din na structure is, kung magamang expository essay is, it is important to be limited to the exposition. Limited siya pero straight to the point kapag kagama sa essay na inyong gamon. Ano din is, na-allow sa expository essay is, ma-allow din ang clarity and direction throughout sa inyong gamon na essay. Next is the evidential support, whether factual, logical, statistical, or anecdotal. So this structure, oftentimes, students are required to write expository essays with little or no preparation. Therefore, such essays not typically allow a great deal or statistical or factual evidence. So, ano na structure is, students is required sila mag-gamaw essay with no preparation. Anang expository essay nga imuhang gamon. The reason is, essay do not typically allow for a great deal or statistical or factual evidence. So, mao to siya kanang